Hi, I'm Sarah from Kalens. We provide innovative machine vision solutions for automated inspection. And today I'm going to show you around the office. Here's our AI team. Hi guys.
Hello, Sarah.
What are you discussing?
So we are having our weekly team meeting where we discuss different problem statements and our next challenges. Maybe Farna, you want to add something?
Yeah, we also brainstorm ideas on using Kalens multi-view data to further enhance accuracy in our projects.
And we also plan to deploy these models on our edge devices.
And we also generate new synthetic data using GenAI.
Sounds really interesting.
Thank you.
Continue and let's go to the lab. So who's in the lab? Let's see. Klaus, our CTO. What are you working on?
Hi Sarah. Here you see our lab system with our Kalens. We are currently shooting a plug, and here on the screen you see the reconstructed point cloud from our single shot capturing.
That sounds really, really cool. Let's go over to our robot. Hi Jonas. What are you up to?
Hello Sarah. So we have our Kalens attached to a robot and we are trying to get some good pictures of these little channels here inside.
Awesome, thanks. There's our CEO, Stefan. Let's go over to him. Hi, Stefan.
Hi, Sarah.
I have a question for you. Can you tell me what is the core concept of Kalens?
This is a great question. Here you can see Kalens competence in 3 steps: hardware, software, and AI development, pure from one source. And we deliver results instead of components.
Sounds interesting? Do you have a use case for us? Then contact us.